What should I photograph before an HVAC repair? Photograph the system, its surroundings, model information, visible damage, and anything affecting access before the technician arrives. Start with a wide photo showing the entire indoor unit, outdoor unit, and the space around each one. Take clear close-up photos of the manufacturer label, model number, serial number, thermostat, circuit breaker, and any warning lights or error codes. Photograph water stains, rust, leaking pipes, damaged insulation, unusual wiring, blocked vents, and dirt or ice on the equipment. If the system is making a sound, record a short video while showing the part that seems to be causing it. Also photograph the thermostat settings and the temperature shown on a separate indoor thermometer, because this can show whether the system is failing to heat or cool properly. Take pictures of the access path, gates, storage items, pets, or other obstacles so the technician knows what may need to be moved. A useful detail many people miss is photographing the condition of nearby walls, ceilings, flooring, and personal belongings before work begins, which can help document existing damage and prevent disagreements later. Keep the original files with their date and time information, and do not remove electrical panels or touch refrigerant lines just to get a better picture. A common mistake is taking only distant photos, so move close enough for labels and damage to be readable while still taking one wide view for context. Another mistake is photographing the equipment after cleaning or moving items, so capture its original condition first and avoid changing anything that could hide the problem. People also often forget the outdoor unit and circuit breaker, even though those areas may reveal power, airflow, or weather damage. Photograph them safely without opening electrical covers. If you see exposed wires, strong burning smells, or water near electrical parts, leave the area alone and contact a qualified professional promptly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.